Hi, Duncan here. Purchasing windows and doors for your home. It can be overwhelming. I know I've made mistakes doing home improvements myself. What I'd like to do is share my 30 years of experience and knowledge with you to help you to avoid those mistakes. They're easy to avoid. You just need some basic information to help you make good decisions. Let's talk about building codes. Big mistake people make is not hiring a licensed contractor to do your windows and doors, and then those people don't necessarily know what the codes are for your area. Tempered glass, fire codes, it's all about safety. Egress, the size of an opening in order to be able to get out in the case of a fire. The safety of tempered glass so that a child doesn't run through a door and end up being cut badly. There are lots of things you need to know. Make sure you're dealing with a licensed C17 glazing contractor. A common mistake when replacing your windows. If anybody tries to sell you windows where they're going to put in a replacement window and they tell you they're going to remove the existing frame, big mistake, run for the hills. You cannot take out the existing frame that is flashed in the building envelope and then put in a replacement window guaranteed to leak. So please avoid that. Hiring the right company to do your window and door replacements is essential. Why is that so important? Don't hire a company that uses subcontractors. Too many finger-pointing opportunities if anything goes wrong. Make sure that the installers that are going to install your windows are AMA certified. That's the American Architectural Manufacturers Association. They govern the installation of windows and doors and how the building envelope works so that your windows and doors don't leak. Make sure there's a warranty on the installation work. Most manufacturers these days guarantee the windows, but not everybody guarantees the installation. So make sure you've got that extended warranty after the installation is complete.